Oumuamua, which is an object that we detected in space that you believe could possibly have been extraterrestrial?
For centuries, all reported instances of alien encounters have been viewed as speculative and lacking evidence. But all of that changed in 2017 with the discovery of Oumuamua, our first interstellar visitor. Its arrival altered the scientific landscape as it sparked a battle of guesses to unravel its true nature. Recently, Joe Rogan, renowned host of the widely followed podcast Joe Rogan Experience, has made a revelation that Oumuamua is poised to make a return to Earth, and this time, it could destroy the universe.
At which point I started thinking maybe it's not a comet and not an asteroid, something else.
Why is the strange visitor back? What does it mean for humanity? Keep watching to find out. For over half a decade, Oumuamua has captivated the scientific community, sparking numerous questions regarding its origin and characteristics. This mysterious object has been theorized to be a comet, an asteroid, a cigar-shaped rock, and even a potential extraterrestrial spacecraft at various stages of its observation. During its initial arrival on Earth, Avi Loeb, an Israeli-American theoretical physicist and published author, was invited by Joe Rogan to shed light on this unusual interstellar entity. Loeb presented compelling arguments suggesting that Oumuamua could be an alien probe from outer space, and his claims were met with ridicule and skepticism from the scientific community, dismissing them as speculative and unfounded. However, recent developments indicate that Loeb may have been correct, as Oumuamua is now making a return and potentially posing a threat to the universe itself. Stay tuned to discover Joe Rogan's latest findings on Oumuamua and why the human race may be in danger. But first, let us introduce you to what we currently know about Oumuamua. The discovery of Oumuamua was a thrilling scientific incident that unfolded on October 19, 2017. It all began when the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, Pan-STARRS-1, operated by the University of Hawaii, caught a glimpse of a mysterious visitor making its way through our solar system. This remarkable telescope, equipped with a massive 1.4 billion pixel camera, diligently scans the skies, keeping a watchful eye on celestial objects that exhibit movement or changes in brightness. Its mission includes identifying potential asteroid and comet hazards to our planet. Astronomers had no idea that their careful surveillance would result in the discovery of a captivating interstellar anomaly known as Oumuamua. For years, astronomers had speculated about the existence of interstellar objects like Oumuamua, but it remained largely theoretical until this peculiar visitor arrived. Thomas Zurbuchen, an associate administrator for NASA's Science Mission Directorate, aptly stated in November 2017, "For decades, we've theorized that such interstellar objects are out there, and now, for the first time, we have direct evidence they exist." What set Oumuamua apart from other known space objects was its astonishing speed. Traveling at an incredible velocity of approximately 25,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers per hour, it quickly outpaced other celestial bodies within our solar system. However, the most intriguing aspect of Oumuamua's journey was yet to be revealed. On September 9, 2017, Oumuamua executed a slingshot maneuver around the Sun, hurtling at an astonishing speed of 196,000 miles per hour. To put it into perspective, that's equivalent to about 28.5 thousand feet, or 87.3 kilometers per second. Such mind-boggling velocity raised numerous questions and left little room for doubt, as it had been observed firsthand. The initial sighting of Oumuamua prompted space agencies worldwide to scramble for their telescopes, aiming to scrutinize this mysterious object's orbit, brightness, and color. Even the ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile joined the telescopic investigation as researchers delved into the peculiarities of Oumuamua. Meanwhile, astronomers at the SETI Institute began listening for any potential radio transmissions from the object. But why is this interstellar visitor called Oumuamua? It didn't arrive in our solar system with its name boldly inscribed upon its surface. Instead, the astronomers who discovered it bestowed the name Oumuamua, derived from Hawaiian origins, meaning visitor from afar. This name conveys the immense distance this mysterious object has traversed. Yet the object's appearance also captivated astronomers' attention. Close observations revealed Oumuamua's elongated, rocky, cigar-shaped form, adorned with a reddish hue. Furthermore, meticulous measurements disclosed that Oumuamua stretched about a quarter of a mile or 0.4 kilometers in length, a staggering 400 miles or 643.7 kilometers. Astonishingly elongated, its length was roughly 10 times greater than its width. This unusual appearance starkly contrasted with the predominantly spherical space objects prevalent within our solar system. It formed just one fragment of Oumuamua's unique set of characteristics, further shrouding its identity in mystery. From its outward appearance, Oumuamua presented itself as a rocky object traversing the vastness of interstellar space, a fact that immediately captured the attention of astronomers. However, what truly piqued their curiosity were the peculiar features exhibited by this interstellar visitor. Ever since its discovery, Oumuamua has been making waves due to its remarkable characteristics, starting with its extraordinary velocity. When it sped past the sun, it achieved a velocity that had previously been confined to the realm of fiction, captivating astronomers and enthusiasts alike. But Oumuamua's velocity is not the sole noteworthy aspect of its movement. Upon closer examination, scientists observed a baffling phenomenon. Oumuamua seemed impervious to the gravitational pull of the sun, exhibiting what appeared to be a non-gravitational acceleration. Astonishingly, it effortlessly altered its trajectory while passing by the sun, seemingly defying the laws of gravity. Picture the scene. Scientists eagerly observing as Oumuamua embarked on its swift journey past the sun, anticipating that it would obediently follow the expected course dictated by the sun's gravitational force. However, to their astonishment, Oumuamua deviated slightly, veering off its path by a minuscule fraction while simultaneously accelerating. Such an unexpected shift in trajectory could only be attributed to an external force. But the question remains, what could possibly account for this intriguing effect? In addition to its anomalous movements, Oumuamua boasted a distinctive shape, standing out not only due to its unconventional form, but also its substantial size. The interstellar object spanned approximately 800 to 80 yards in width and height, making it significantly larger than most asteroids or comets typically observed within our solar system. As scientists continued to study Oumuamua, they proposed various theories to explain its unusual characteristics. One possibility is that Oumuamua is a fragment of a larger celestial body that was ejected from its home star system. This scenario suggests that Oumuamua could be a remnant of a comet or asteroid that was disrupted by tidal forces or collisions in its original system, eventually finding its way into interstellar space. Another hypothesis is that Oumuamua might be a solar sail, a thin, sheet-like object that harnesses the pressure of sunlight to propel itself through space. If Oumuamua were indeed a solar sail, its unusual acceleration and trajectory could be explained by the slight but continuous push exerted by sunlight. This theory gained some traction due to the object's elongated shape, which is conducive to harnessing solar radiation for propulsion. Now brace yourself for a captivating twist in the tale. Oumuamua's fascinating ability to rotate and tumble gracefully, defying any potential destruction, hints at a composition far more robust and resilient than the delicate snow that adorns the majority of comets. As if that wasn't intriguing enough, let's delve into its mysterious dark red hue. This distinctive color is reminiscent of several moons dwelling in the distant fringes of our solar system. These moons share a peculiar trait. Their organic ice has likely suffered the ravages of space radiation. While this explanation could account for Oumuamua's captivating coloration, Karen Meach of the Institute for Astronomy in Hawaii boldly puts forth yet another possibility. The presence of iron could be the culprit behind its alluring dark red shade. All these captivating elements converge to weave the intricate tapestry of Oumuamua. But before we embark on the quest to unravel why Joe Rogan insists that Oumuamua has the potential to destroy our universe, let's first uncover the mysterious origins of this space traveler. What can we infer about the birthplace of Oumuamua, based on its unique characteristics? Which star system or galaxy did Oumuamua originate from? Although we can confirm that Oumuamua is from far beyond our solar system, the exact origin of this mysterious object continues to baffle scientists, making it one of the most intriguing mysteries of our era. Initially, experts speculated that Oumuamua hailed from Vega, also known as Alpha Lyrae, a brilliantly luminous star nestled within the constellation of Lyra. Vega boasts a collection of debris disks, making it a plausible candidate as the birthplace of Oumuamua. Astronomers proposed that if Oumuamua did indeed originate from Vega, it would have embarked on an incredible 600,000-year journey to reach our solar system. However, recent developments have cast doubt upon the Vega hypothesis, redirecting our attention to a vast array of alternative possibilities. Some suggest that Oumuamua may have traversed our galaxy for billions of years, embarking on a journey that spanned over 20,000 star systems and hundreds of thousands of years. While this may seem like an immense time frame, it pales in comparison to the age of our galaxy, estimated to be around 10 billion years old, containing a staggering 200 billion stars. Given the duration of Oumuamua's interstellar odyssey, astronomers speculate that its encounter with our solar system may mark its inaugural interaction with a new stellar realm. This hypothesis finds support in its trajectory, which closely resembles the movement of neighboring stars as it speeds past our sun. To unlock the secrets of Oumuamua's origin, scientists have painstakingly retraced its path to a time before it entered our solar system. Corinne Baylor-Jones of the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy undertook the formidable task of scrutinizing Oumuamua's course against the historical positions of approximately 7 million stars. Leveraging data from the Gaia spacecraft, which meticulously monitored these stars, Baylor-Jones meticulously reconstructed their orbital paths, meticulously searching for intersections or similarities with Oumuamua's trajectory. This exhaustive investigation yielded 4 promising candidates, each exhibiting trajectories closely resembling the rewound path of Oumuamua. Among these candidates, one is believed to be Oumuamua's birthplace, although conclusively determining its origin remains a complex challenge. During his extensive stargazing expedition, Baylor-Jones made an intriguing observation. He noticed that Oumuamua's trajectory aligned with a region between 1 to 2 Oort cloud radii, or 100,000 to 200,000 astronomical units, AU. Furthermore, the encounter velocities between Oumuamua and each of the potential origin candidates were remarkably high, ranging from 6 to 16 miles per hour, presenting scientists with a confounding puzzle. Some researchers have posited that Oumuamua might be a planetesimal, a building block expelled during the formative stages of a planet. However, achieving such exceptional ejection velocities solely through encounters with larger planets seems highly implausible, although not entirely impossible. Another possibility is that Oumuamua originated from a binary star system, which could account for its substantial velocity. However, none of the 4 most likely candidates for Oumuamua's origin are binary stars, further adding to the complexity of the puzzle. The quest to uncover Oumuamua's true birthplace persists, with the hope that future releases of Gaia data will illuminate this cosmic mystery. Additional data from Gaia will enable astronomers to refine their search for the celestial traveler's origin, providing deeper insights into the motions of neighboring stars and potentially leading to more conclusive results. Irrespective of its origin, one question lingers. What forces propelled Oumuamua through the vastness of space, distancing it from its celestial home? Scientists have put forth several intriguing possibilities in an attempt to explain the rapid journey of this enigmatic interstellar visitor. One hypothesis suggests that Oumuamua may have formed as a result of a cataclysmic collision between 2 celestial bodies. Another theory proposes that a supernova explosion could have unleashed Oumuamua from its original location, making it the first messenger from distant realms to grace our solar system. Some even like Oumuamua to be a harbinger of calamity, akin to wandering asteroids that pose a potential threat to Earth in the future. However, The narrative becomes even more captivating when astronomers like Garrett Levine of Yale University put forth an alluring idea. Oumuamua might comprise fragments of ice expelled from the rocky disks of far-flung planets, which now routinely find their way into our solar system as interstellar debris. If this perspective holds true, Oumuamua would resemble comets, exhibiting signs of vaporization and luminosity as they traverse our cosmic neighborhood. While it may be reasonable to classify Oumuamua in this category, there exists a discrepancy between astronomers' initial predictions and the actual characteristics of interstellar debris. Consequently, definitively labeling Oumuamua as interstellar debris becomes challenging, as it does not conform to the initially proposed comet-like description. However, could this inconsistency be a deliberate part of Oumuamua's design? Are there other pieces of evidence supporting the notion that Oumuamua is, indeed, interstellar debris? Presently, Oumuamua cannot merely be seen as an ordinary fragment of a destroyed planet, primarily due to its non-gravitational acceleration. Yet, let us momentarily set this topic aside as the story of Oumuamua unfolds further. The quest to unravel the true nature of Oumuamua as an interstellar object is far from reaching its conclusion. Scientists have put forth even more astonishing speculations that are sure to ignite the flames of imagination. Some suggest that Oumuamua may be an interstellar comet or asteroid, sparking lively debates among researchers. However, the intrigue intensifies when distinguished astronomers like Avi Loeb proclaim that Oumuamua represents something far more awe-inspiring, a purposefully constructed spacecraft crafted by an alien civilization that has traversed unfathomable distances to study our humble abode. How plausible is this hypothesis, you may ask? Fear not, for we shall soon delve into the available facts and evidence. But first, let us immerse ourselves in the ongoing debate between astronomers and scientists, with some leaning towards Oumuamua being an interstellar comet, while others argue for its classification as an interstellar asteroid. So is Oumuamua an asteroid, a comet, or perchance an extraterrestrial craft? Let us examine the arguments surrounding Oumuamua's classification as a comet or an asteroid. Comets, those celestial snowballs composed of frozen gases, rocks, and dust, dance through the cosmos on their orbits around the Sun. Though their sizes may vary, most comets are said to be comparable in magnitude to a small town when frozen. As these icy wanderers draw near to the Sun along their orbital paths, they undergo a rapid heating process, releasing a trail of dust and gas that forms a resplendent tail, occasionally rivaling the size of a planet. This phenomenon significantly augments the comet's acceleration. However, this is where Oumuamua is spectacularly different, as it lacks any visible signs of a coma, the part of a comet that gives rise to a hazy cloud while encircling the Sun. Observations conducted by Karen J. Meach unveiled an absence of gas emissions from Oumuamua, not even the release of CN gas that is typically associated with comets when they expel water. Comets harbor a substantial amount of water, which becomes visible as it is expelled due to the Sun's radiant warmth. However, Oumuamua exhibited no such characteristics, eliminating its classification as a comet. Another distinctive feature is Oumuamua's unusually high reflectivity compared to typical comets. While comets generally possess a reflectivity of approximately 4%, Oumuamua boasted a reflectivity of around 10%, indicating a dissimilar thermal composition. Now let us consider the possibility of Oumuamua being an asteroid. Asteroids, those diminutive rocky bodies, come in a myriad of sizes and shapes, gracefully orbiting the Sun. In this realm, Oumuamua's elongated form sets it apart from primarily spherical asteroids. Furthermore, Oumuamua's non-gravitational acceleration, among other curious behaviors, further distinguishes it from typical asteroids. Hence, classifying Oumuamua as an asteroid would be highly unorthodox indeed. What did Joe Rogan reveal about Oumuamua? Could Oumuamua be an alien spacecraft? Joe Rogan, the renowned American media personality, stands as a captivating figure whose curiosity and openness to different opinions have propelled him to the forefront of the entertainment industry. As the host of the widely acclaimed Joe Rogan Experience, he has cultivated a platform that embraces intellectual exploration and unfiltered conversations. With a penchant for delving into diverse subjects ranging from science and politics to comedy and spirituality, Rogan has fostered an environment where guests from all walks of life engage in thought-provoking discussions. In light of all other explanations being ruled out, the possibility that this mysterious object originates from extraterrestrial sources emerges as a prominent hypothesis. Joe Rogan, intrigued by this concept, feels compelled to explore further. He notes that even the chief of the Pentagon's UFO office has openly acknowledged the existence of an extraterrestrial mothership within our solar system, lending credibility to the idea. The notion that these extraterrestrial beings may be deploying microscopic probes to systematically investigate celestial bodies in our cosmic neighborhood, akin to our own space missions, adds to the intrigue. A recent study by Sean Michael Kirkpatrick, director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, aligns with the findings of Harvard professor Avi Loeb, who firmly asserts that Oumuamua is an extraterrestrial spacecraft crafted by an advanced alien civilization. However, this theory faces strong opposition from other scientists who argue that the astronomical distances involved make interstellar space missions impractical. They also point out the absence of detectable radio signals from Oumuamua during previous scans. Nevertheless, it is worth considering that the lack of signals could be a deliberate attempt by the extraterrestrial beings to remain hidden. Joe Rogan, known for his inquisitive and open-minded nature, speculates on the deeper meanings behind Oumuamua. He wonders if this enigmatic object is a cosmic message urging humanity to explore further and expand our understanding of the universe. He contemplates whether it might even be a test to assess our technological and scientific progress. Rogan emphasizes that space exploration not only drives innovation, but also attracts the attention of billionaires who are investing in research. When Oumuamua made its brief appearance in our solar system, the scientific community swiftly came together, demonstrating their collaborative capabilities and resource sharing. Rogan believes that this event serves as a lesson for future encounters with interstellar visitors, urging us to be prepared to interpret any encoded messages or signals embedded within such objects. He highlights the global nature of space exploration, as it requires expertise and resources from all corners of the world. Oumuamua's sudden presence in our solar system sparked the curiosity and thirst for knowledge of astronomers, astrophysicists, and researchers worldwide. It served as a universal call to action, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of the universe and inspiring us to unite in our pursuit of understanding. Thanks for watching another episode of Beyond Discovery. While you're still here, click on the other videos you see on your screen right now.